Candidates for the role of programmer analyst. The package they are giving is 10 LPA. This is the typical package. In this video, let's see what are all the eligibility criteria to apply for this job role, and let we see how you can apply for this programmer analyst role. The job role they have given is programmer analyst. The job location given is Hyderabad, and they have given some basic qualifications needed from the candidates. The candidates can pursuing BE or BTech in computer science or IT or any circuital branches and due graduation in 2021. Freshers can apply for this job role. Strong object-oriented development knowledge in C and or Java, knowledge of the Unix or Linux operating system, proven ability to troubleshoot and identify the root cause of issues, demonstrates skills and passion for operational excellence and documentation skills. These are some of the basic qualifications they are needed, and the preferred qualifications are pursuing BE or BTech in computer science, the same point, and you should have the strong knowledge in object oriented thing and knowledge on velocity language, and should have knowledge on some troubleshoot and operating systems. These are preferred qualifications they are looking for, and this is the link they have given. Let's see how you can apply for this job role. After clicking the link, you will be redirected to this particular Amazon's jobs page, where they will be giving like a description about the role and the company. Some informations will be given. In order to apply for this job, you want to click this apply now button. Afterwards, it will be asking like, let's see. After clicking this button, you will be redirected to this login page. If you already have the Amazon's jobs credentials, you can log in with those details, or else you can create your account here by clicking this create one. After that, you can provide your email address and password. You can verify your email address. After that, you can log in with those credentials, and you can apply for this job role with your resume and some other basics informations. By this way, you can apply for this job role. Let's see what is the package for this job role. This is the information I got from internet. The typical Amazon programmer analyst salary is 10 LPA, and the salaries can range from 3 to 17 LPA. These are the things they have given, and in order to apply for this job role, I will be giving the apply link in the description box. You can use the link to apply for this job role. And if you have any queries, or if you want to know update about the jobs daily, you can follow me in YouTube as well as the Telegram link given in the description box. All the best for your interview preparation.